I'm ready.
He's pretty, or she, or whatever.
Yeah, looks like she.
Ladies and gentlemen, imagine driving through a quiet suburban neighborhood and receiving a dispatch call that sounds like a prank. In this incident, officers respond to a report of a full-sized loose horse roaming the streets. From a legal perspective, this is immediately a high-stakes situation known as animal at large. While it seems funny, the potential for catastrophic property damage or vehicular manslaughter is massive. If this 1,000-pound animal runs onto a highway, the owner faces gross negligence charges. Watch as the officer tries to process the absurdity of the call, realizing that public safety is actively at risk from a farm animal in a concrete jungle.
Really nervous.
Where did a horse come from? Maybe no one's calling it in.
Maybe it's mounted and it got loose, dude.
What if it's a huge fucking Clydesdale?
The brown?
I bet you it's not full. I bet you it's tiny.
No, it's full size, dude. It's not a pony. Full size brown horse. You got a fire up here? What the hell? Where's the fire department?
It's that dust from the concrete saw.
Get. Doing great.
That caused a serious accident.
Horse?
Runs out in the road.
Runs out on 270.
Hey, Bob. That'd be sick, actually. We should corral it that way.
Stop.
As the officers arrive, the situation escalates. You can hear them mention the proximity to Route 270. This is the critical moment for liability. If law enforcement fails to contain the animal and it causes a pileup on the freeway, the city could be sued for failure to protect. However, the primary liability remains with the livestock owner. In many states, strict liability laws apply to livestock owners who fail to secure their fences. The officers are now shifting from patrol mode to animal control, a task they aren't equipped for, increasing the unpredictability of this encounter. Every second this horse is loose, the financial ticker for potential lawsuits is running up.
It's bad. You know where you're going?
Yeah, it's Cassidy and Hogan. Cumberland Woods, maybe? Well, you're nav. You tell me.
Okay. You're doing great. Take a left on Agler, dude.
Yeah, I feel like a pretty good idea.
And then we're going to go on Cassidy.
Cassidy South.
Yeah, and then we're going to go
Cumberland Woods, right?
Cumberland Woods, dude.
See? I still got it, though.
Oh, boy. These guys. Oh, fuck. What the fuck you doing? It's a good flagger right there, dude. No, he didn't panic one bit.
My brother.
Copy that. The run's pending on 2. We just got a couple more runs in. No one's going 2 or 5.
Sorry.
Sorry. We got a horse.
You dispatched just what he wants to do.
We got a horse to take care of. Radio. Everybody's on it. Oh, it's better than 17.
The double echo, the double siren.
I like it. What'd you go with there? It smells good.
Double espresso over ice.
608, channel 6.
Because they already mounted it.
608, good.
These boys don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, I was told you were Aaron's mounted unit. Yeah, just sitting down for break, sir. They got a wild horse that's been captured.
Why is it wild?
1848 passage lane, 1848 passage lane on 2 precinct.
Look at those big dogs.
Big lovers.
You think it's got a collar on?
You mean a halter?
No, like a dog tag.
Call animal control.
28, hold on just a second.
Oh, looks like a happy horse. It's got a halter, lead rope, or garden hose. I'm ready.
Here is the encounter. Surprisingly, the suspect is compliant. The body cam captures the officer bonding with the horse. Legally, This footage is gold for the owner's defense lawyer. It proves the animal is not aggressive or vicious, which could mitigate punitive damages in a potential lawsuit. However, the fact that the horse is dragging a rope indicates it was tied up and broke loose, or was negligently secured. This evidence of containment failure would be Exhibit A in a civil court case. The officers are doing an excellent job de-escalating, ensuring the animal doesn't panic and cause injury to itself or the surrounding expensive suburban property.
Is there a barn around you? I said, I'm in the middle of a damn neighborhood.
Oh,
No.
no, Trevor, she's getting old. Yep.
Hey, I got that guy's number if you want to give him a call. You're the
Who's that?
you're
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
But they cannot pick him up.
Yeah, I mean, they got a horse trailer, so,
Either that or you can call OSU.
yeah.
The
Or if
animal hospital take them.
if it's a stray, she can just keep them, right?
Well, I actually was getting ready to put it in my backyard. I'm not going to lie.
I see your puppy in the window. Like, what in the heck is that?
Yeah.
I'm like,
She's quiet enough. My horse would be running laps around this place. Their number's on there.
I got it right here.
so.
I put in my notes.
Really sweet. I would keep you if I was allowed. Oh, yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Going back there.
I thought for sure it'd be like an alpaca or a llama.
Now begins the investigation phase. Officers are interviewing neighbors trying to establish ownership. In a tort law context, identifying the defendant is crucial. The neighbors' reactions confirm this is an anomaly, suggesting the owner isn't a local resident but perhaps someone passing through. Notice the rope again. It suggests the horse was in transit or temporarily holding. If this horse had kicked a bystander right now, the medical bills and pain and suffering damages would fall squarely on the owner. The police are effectively documenting the scene, creating an official record that prevents insurance companies from denying the reality of this bizarre event.
Rope on her, guys, was that rope on her?
Yeah.
It was. She was dragging a big long rope, like she'd been tied somewhere probably. And let loose like a super, like lunge line type rope almost.
Correct. They're separate.
That next street.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. All right. Appreciate it. Yep. Bye. Bye. We're gonna send a trailer up to help out.
Wow, we brought everyone out to see this.
This house that is facing us, behind, like straight behind, in their backyard.
All right.
On, it would be on 3.
Okay. Gotcha.
Is there a fence?
I think there is.
Go ahead, wagon. There's an address south of us on, I think it's Drake. I don't have the numbers yet. They got a bunch of horse trailers. I'm gonna drive down there and knock.
Well, I thought about starting to charge $20 a ride.
You want to see it?
But
Yeah, if you could.
Trevor, why don't you have a
I didn't bring my saddle today.
Officers spot horse trailers nearby. This is the smoking gun linking the animal to its owner. It appears the horse escaped while being transported or prepared for an event. While this ends peacefully, it serves as a massive warning. Negligence doesn't require intent, it just requires a lack of reasonable care. Leaving a horse improperly secured in an unfenced area is textbook negligence. The officer's relief is palpable, but for the owner, this body cam footage is a lesson in how close they came to financial ruin. A happy ending here, but in the legal world, this was a ticking time bomb of liability. So, how much would the lawsuit be if this went wrong? If that horse had run onto the nearby highway and caused a multi-car accident, the negligence claim could easily exceed $2,500,000. We are talking about property damage, medical bills, and potentially punitive damages for failing to secure a 1,000 pound animal. Even a minor kick to a bystander could result in a $150,000 personal injury settlement. The owner is lucky today, but his insurance premium just skyrocketed.